Industry forecasts predict the number of fleet vehicles employing connected car technology, both new and retrofitted, will be in the tens of millions by 2020. It's easy to see why. Telematics and cloud computing are revolutionizing fleet management with streaming vehicle data on fuel usage, maintenance status, vehicle location, engine performance, and much more, allowing fleet managers to remotely monitor nearly every aspect of vehicle operation in real time. Now imagine linking this data with payment solutions from Mastercard. By creating a card that combines vehicle data, advanced business rules, and Mastercard spend alerts and controls, the very nature of fleet management and cost control can be redefined. Vehicle fuel is the greatest single expense for fleet vehicles, and unfortunately, is an area prone for error, fraud, and abuse. With traditional fleet cards, drivers are required to manually and tediously enter in data, which can lead to mistakes. Also, existing solutions do not provide visibility into the fuel status of a specific vehicle, opening the opportunity for dishonest drivers to take advantage and fill up more than just their fleet vehicle. When drivers use Mastercard's Dynamic Fleet Card, the vehicle's onboard telematics provide the fleet manager with fuel level data at speed. This simplifies the refueling experience by eliminating manual data entry at the pump, regardless of the petrol station, anywhere a Mastercard card is accepted. When a fuel purchase does exceed the fuel capacity of the vehicle, the real-time stream of vehicle data can alert the fleet manager, who can query the driver on the additional fuel expense, aiding visibility and accountability fleet-wide. Vehicle uptime is critical to fleet efficiency, and Mastercard's Dynamic Fleet Card, combined with onboard telematics, raises the bar on vehicle maintenance. Fleet managers can monitor vehicle health in real time and alert the driver if maintenance is required, even before vehicle indicator warnings turn on. With a push notification to the driver, the fleet manager can enable the card to make specific purchases, in this case, for a gallon of washer fluid. Maintaining fleet vehicles according to a suggested mileage schedule can now become intelligent based on real-time telematics. Out on the road, employees can work up an appetite, and Mastercard's Dynamic Fleet Card makes paying at meal breaks easier. No more handing out petty cash for crew meals and handling paper receipts. With a few simple clicks, fleet managers have the flexibility and control they need to turn the Dynamic Fleet Card into today's lunch card, with the ability to set dollar limits or allow for card use at a specific restaurant, increasing accountability and reducing the unsafe handling of cash. On a multi-day vehicle run, or if bad weather intervenes, the Dynamic Fleet Card can be unlocked to pay for lodging and per diem expenses on an as-needed basis. With the ability to set spending limits, the Dynamic Fleet Card eliminates concerns associated with open-use T&E cards and the work needed to verify receipts and reimburse for expenses. With telematics data streaming from connected fleet vehicles, combined with the power of the Dynamic Fleet Card, Mastercard solutions can create value for fleet managers in ways never imagined. Enhanced spending control, improved security, detailed visibility and insights, and more efficient workflows, all while improving the payment experience for hardworking fleet drivers on the road, in real time and at the speed of business. Because at Mastercard, we don't wait for the future of payments, we build it.